Cold open. Dive into the world of TCP three-way handshake, an essential part of the transmission control protocol. Imagine it as an introductory handshake at a networking event, setting the stage for further communication. First, there's the SIN. It's like extending your hand for a shake, signaling the start of the conversation. The client sends a SYN packet to the server, indicating it's ready to start transmitting data. Now comes the SYN ACK. Picture this as the server responding by shaking your hand. It acknowledges the SYN packet and sends its own SYN packet back to the client. Then we have the ACK. The client receives the server's SYN packet and sends an acknowledgement. This is like saying, "Nice to meet you," cementing the start of the conversation. Voila! The three-way handshake is complete and data transmission can begin. For more insightful IT lessons, visit our website, betanetworks.com. Your knowledge journey begins here. Loop back anytime to dive deeper into the fascinating world of IT.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.